Hello, my name is Luis. Welcome to the Metal Workshop. I work here together with Edward, Leonie and Richard. The Metal Workshop is open every day from 9 till 9, Monday to Friday, and every Saturday from 10 till 4. In order to first work in the Metal Workshop, you have to do a safety instruction. We're going to show you the basics of every machine and also what is the important factors of this workshop. After you've done the safety instruction, then you can come here and experiment with the machines and the material. The more you experiment, the more you're going to learn and the more possibilities are going to open up. There's one more introduction, which is the welding introduction. The welding introduction is a hands-on class where for 4 hours we're going to teach you how to weld. You're not going to become a professional welder, but you're going to be able to do pretty much everything you will need for the beginning. We are looking forward to see you.
Hi, I'm Sanne Beren. I'm the workshop assistant of the letter typesetting workshop and bookbinding workshop. The workshop is open 1 day a week, in September on Wednesdays and in October, November, December on Fridays. So we have here in the workshop 2 hand presses, which are over there. You can use them yourself by a short instruction, and you make compositions with the wooden typefaces which are here and the metal typefaces which are here. So there are many material. There's a lot of material. Besides the old material, you can also work with make new shapes from laser cut with wood, like this one, or cut by hand from lino, and then you can make nice compositions. Like this is a book from the type media students, so they have all made monograms of their names with old typeface combined with a new self-made. This is from lino, this is laser cut from wood, and you see you can make any color you want with the ink. It's oil-based ink, so it's very bright, and there's this is for example gradient, so you put on one side pink, on the other side it was blue, I think. You always have also a third color because of the mixing. You see quite, well, in these examples not, but you can, so if you print yellow and blue, the third color will be green. And so here you see all examples, and yeah, here you can see very well the mixing color. So these are for the bigger typefaces. The lead is like here, it's with this tiny small typefaces. It's a lot of work to typeset, but it's interesting to once have done when you study, for example, graphic design. Besides the letterpress, there's also, I have advice on bookbinding. Also Astrid, she works on Friday at the RISO, she can give you advice. You can work here on Wednesdays, but you can also work in another workshop, I'll show you later, and that one is open every day. Together with Astrid we made these instructions. They show step by step all different bookbinding methods, but you can also come here and ask for advice or have a short course. So these are all examples of books you can make and different stitches. Happy to see you here. There can be 2 students in this workshop, and you can book time via Azimuth. But if it's full, just come by and pop your head around the corner and wave to me, and then I can answer your questions. So see you soon.
Hi everybody, my name is Gerard. Very welcome. I'm in charge, one of the guys and girls, in charge of the printing workshop, and this space is one of the printing methods, techniques, silk screen department. What we do here is We print on paper. We make some posters, if you want to, in one color, multicolor, doesn't matter. Fabrics, t-shirts, wood, well, you name it. If you like that, you're welcome to come in. It's not the only thing we do, because printmaking, we have several techniques. Let's say reso printing, etching, intaglio printing, stone printing, woodcut, you name it. Monotyping, is there more? Well, probably, but I think this is enough for now. Well, we're open all week, from 9 in the morning till 9:30 in the evening. And yeah, you're free to come in. Of course, you have to think of the nowadays rules of Corona. So you have to book by the portal through Azimuth, I think is the name. And then you know for sure that you have a spot or a time spot and that you can work here. If you have questions, go to the website and then you can ask questions. And I think this is about it, what you need to know and what I can tell you. Maybe I can conclude with start printing and get happy. Easy.
Welcome to The Rental. I'm Abel, I'm 28 years old and I've been working at The Rental since 2015. Before that I studied here, so I graduated in fine arts and I ended up here part-time because I work together with my lovely colleague Chris, who is not here now. Here at The Rental we offer a wide variety of items. It's mainly equipment, but we also have some tools like hammers, for example. The whole selection you can see on the website because it's a bit much to show that all to you now. As the name implies, we are a rental, so that means you can rent stuff here. That also means that some things have a renting price and some things are for free. In general, we make a division between the very simple small things like cables, adapters and such. Well, these things are all for free. But we also have on the other end of the spectrum the very high-end equipment like virtual reality goggles or 3D scanners. These things are also for free because well, we like to offer you the opportunity to use things that you would never buy yourself. But everything in between has a small price, and that includes, for example, MacBooks, iPads, projectors, big screens, small screens, speakers, audio recorders, and so forth. Well, the most expensive thing we have is the very big TV screen, which is €10 per day. But most things are a few euros. So for example, a MacBook is €2, an iPad is €150, speaker is €250. So that's the prices you can expect here. Well, my personal advice to you is to use us, because it's we offer you an opportunity to use equipment that you would otherwise probably never use. So it can help you to experiment and try out different things. But of course, this is completely up to you. Some people I see 5 times per day, some people I see never. And this is of course completely up to you, how much you use us. Well, you can use us for the equipment, but also for advice. That's important to know. So even though we are not officially a workshop, which means that we in general have less time and attention for every individual student than the workshop, we still are also here for you to answer your questions. And we love to think along with you to come to the best solution for your project. And we know how to think outside of the box, I guess. So yeah, we like to be of assistance for you. So please don't hesitate to come by and ask any questions about your project. Then lastly, which is also important, with renting of course comes the responsibility. I like to say, be gentle, it's a rental. So when you rent out something, you are partially responsible for what you take, which means that in the unfortunate case of a damage or you lose something, there's a €500 bill for you, and it's quite a lot, of course. Anything above that, the school pays for, but still €500 is a lot. So for your own wallet, of course, please be careful. But also, do it for each other. It's nice that we can all use this equipment here, so use it with care. Well, I hope to see you all soon, and have a nice start of the year, I guess.